Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. So we have two methods for that. One is very simple. If you have your WhatsApp app on your phone and you need the second one with maybe for the work with the separated contacts, number, etc., you can download just WhatsApp Business. Thanks to this app, you can activate the second account on your one phone, and as you can see, now we have two WhatsApp accounts. That was the first method. Now the second one, you need to go to the Play Store and look for the dual app. I'm always using the parallel space, but if you're downloading this app, remember to download also the 64 bits software. This one. Now go to the parallel space, click agree and continue, tap on the continue and add a permission. Now choose the start, select the WhatsApp and click add to parallel space. And now you have a next WhatsApp account, WhatsApp application on your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.